Are you ready to see the future of luxury SUVs? The 2025 Range Rover Velar is getting a complete redesign, and it's more muscular, more high-tech, and fully electric. If you're a fan of elegant power and groundbreaking innovation, you won't want to miss this. The first Range Rover Velar made its debut in 2017, becoming the fourth model in the iconic Range Rover lineup. Since then, it has been a symbol of sleek design and cutting-edge technology. The Velar received its first technical update in 2020, and just 2.5 years later, it went through another restyling, refining both its exterior and interior. But now, in 2025, we're looking at a fully redesigned second-generation Velar. At first glance, you might think it looks similar to the current version, but take a closer look. The proportions have shifted. This new Velar is more muscular, and it may even be larger, with a longer wheelbase and wider rear doors. One of the most striking features of this redesign? The side windows. They're going to be narrower, and for the first time on a Land Rover model, the windows will be frameless. And if you love the retractable door handles on the original Velar, don't worry, they're sticking around in this new model. At the back, you'll notice two roof fins, a feature that's borrowed from the new Range Rover and Range Rover Sport. There's also a cool update to the license plate. It's moving from the trunk lid down to the rear bumper. Now, let's talk tech. This isn't just a cosmetic update. The second-generation Velar will be built on Land Rover's new EMA platform, short for Electrified Modular Architecture. That's right, this Velar is going fully electric. While details are still under wraps, we know this shift to electric power marks a massive leap forward for the brand. Excited yet? The 2025 Velar is set to premiere soon, and it promises to redefine luxury in the world of electric SUVs. This isn't just a car. It's the future of driving, combining Range Rover's legendary elegance with cutting-edge electric performance. With its bold new design and high-tech upgrades, the new Velar is sure to turn heads. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the 2025 Range Rover Velar as we are, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in automotive innovation. Share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and we'll see you next time with more exciting news.